Hello everyone! Kumusta? Welcome back to my channel! Amazing! This is beautiful. This is so gorgeous. Isn't it beautiful? Right? So for today's video everyone, this is from Any Fashion. Thank you so much for that. And in my way of appreciation is I will be doing an unboxing and a detail of information about my own personal opinion, thought of this product. Okay, and of course, I will do a try on outdoor to this. I always do a try on outdoors, guys. Okay, so a little bit information about this company, guys. This is another online store in the market that carries replica products such as bags, shoes, clothes, name the cloth, name the shoes, accessories that you are looking in the market, that you are looking for your everyday fashion. Any Fashion has all of it in a very good, reasonable price. They do have a lot of good deal here now. And you can also use my discount coupon, Hazel, 5% off. That will help, okay? Lessen the figures of the amount that you are targeting to buy. So what are you waiting for? Please go give a gift for yourself. All right, and use my coupon. Please don't forget to use my coupon. That will help to lessen the amount of the product that you are wishing. So I have here a few eyesight, few of their products that they are selling into market. Okay, so at least you can have an idea of what products they are selling into market. So I have here all, not really all, so I have here a few of their products. Please go take a look, and I also have all the information below in this video, guys. Go check, please. And you can reach them out through email, and you can also check AliExpress. They also have a product in the AliExpress, guys. Everything is down below of all this information in this company, okay? So without further ado, let's begin the unboxing. Please see me there in the unboxing and up to the rest of my try on outdoor. Thank you. All right, so let's begin the unboxing. And please careful in using sharp objects, okay? Thank you. Ta-da. So I got a dust bag here, very heavy duty. Okay, haha, can't wait. And let's take a look all this. I got the paperwork here with the receipt. Okay, this is 26800 HKD. Thank you. That's very beautiful packaging. And so I like this leaf. My Canada leaf. Thank you so much for that. So let's proceed. Oh, sealed. Okay. Oh my God. So excited. Okay. Very pretty. Everything is sealed. So guys, very protected. I can see there is an engraved name on it, both side. Okay. Zipper slides perfectly smooth. Goodness. Okay, I got this one here. So this is the adjustment. Okay, this can be adjusted according to your preference. Okay, on top of that, this has another adjustment too. Okay, and there is an engraved, not sure if you can see that, there is an engraved name on this side of the shoulder holder. Okay, and this one too, look at this. This has another engraved name on it, both sides. So let's remove what's inside, okay? Oh, sorry. That was a paperwork. One sec. So that was the paperwork. Okay, I got this everything here. Okay. It was inside. And then let's take a look inside, okay? So I got another pocket inside which has a name on it, okay? Inside pocket, let's check. Everything is, oh my goodness, the material is smooth leather. You can see that, right? Oh, I love this. Thank you so much, Any Fashion, for this. Ah, hear that? Slides smoothly, no? Ah, wow, this is so gorgeous, isn't it? Beautiful though. I super love the material. Hi, my God, I can't really wait to try this outdoor. So there is one pocket inside, okay, and there is another one obviously outside, okay. I got here, huh? So let us check the stitches. Everything, guys, is in line, perfectly stitched, no? I don't see any out of line stitches in this. Perfect, perfectly made. Who could tell, right? This doesn't really look like a replica though, or this doesn't really look like a class A. Very beautiful, superb. I super love this. Oh my goodness. And not done yet. So we have this too. This is, I bet this is for coins or something, you know. For sure, this is a coin purse, right? How cute! Oh goodness, ay ay ay. This is just so, and okay. So there is a name engraved on it too. Hope you can see that clearly. Chain, it looks heavy duty. Okay, and I got one here. Name to attach. And there is a name inside on it. Right? So very cute queen purse. Oh my God, what are you waiting for? Guys, go get yours too. Any Fashion, everything is under in this description below. Please go check. So let's, what do you think? Maybe we can just connect here, you know, the D holder. And yeah, that looks perfect. What do you say? Amazing, amazing. This is beautiful. Oh my God, this is so gorgeous. I'm so in love with this. Isn't it beautiful? Right? So I got here a queen purse, all right? And you heard that earlier. Super slide perfectly, right? And smell just so good, really. Smell just really so good. And let's proceed to another zipper. You hear that, right? And there's no sharp teeth in the zipper, guys. Meaning, you know that, right? And I got here a name on it. And I got a, what else? I got here an engraved name to both sides. Okay. And of course, aside from that, what else? And of course, I got this also an engraved name in this chain. Very cute chain, right? Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Any Fashion, for this. I am so in love with this purse. This is unisex. Take note. You can use this too, you know. So, and don't forget to use my coupon, Hazel 5% off. That will help lessen the amount of the figure that you are looking at targeting to what to buy. Okay. So I have here, this is the adjustment. Okay. Depending on your preference of your length. Okay. So I am just a small woman. So I go rather, in between here. And guys, the lock here has a name to engrave. Isn't it cool? Awesome. Very good. Right? Yeah. So, what do you think? What can you say about this? Guys, the material is just so soft leather material. Smells just so good. Really. So, check here. Cute. Cute queen purse. Isn't it? No? Oh, I know. Okay, so let's try this outdoor. See me there, please. Thank you.
I hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh, the melody. It's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters.